Hi, I'm Shi-Er. Here is a simple Chinese dessert that you can make at home. First, we need Longan. So we are going to use a quarter of Longan for today's recipe, and I'm going to break the Longan up into quarter. Okay, next we have our water in a pot, and then we are going to put in our ingredients. White fungus, red dates, Longan, and a knot of pandan leaf. It's good that we tie the pandan into knots so that later on it's easier for us to take out. So we're going to bring the water to a boil and then simmer on low heat for an hour. After an hour of simmering, we will remove the Longan, pandan leaf, and red dates. Next, we're going to add in our Ginkgo nut, Longan, and red dates. We're adding in the second batch of red dates because the first batch will be mushy. After 30 minutes, we add the rock sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved, then we can serve. And dessert is ready.